Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Marvel Unlimited on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Marvel Unlimited website. Once there, you will need to log in with your Marvel account. If you are new, signing up is a quick process, taking just a few moments. This grants you immediate access to thousands of digital comics, right from your desktop or laptop computer, ready for you to explore. Once logged in, you will find a vast library of comics at your fingertips. The platform offers intuitive navigation, allowing you to browse by popular characters like Spider-Man or the X-Men, or explore different comic events. Use the search bar to pinpoint specific issues or creators. Filters help refine your choices, ensuring you can easily find exactly what you are looking for among the thousands of available titles. Reading comics on Marvel Unlimited is a fantastic experience. You can choose between a full-page view, perfect for seeing the art in its entirety, or the Smart Panel mode, which guides you through each panel sequentially. This feature enhances storytelling by focusing on individual details. You can also adjust settings like page transitions and background colors to personalize your reading environment, making every session enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Finally, managing your Marvel Unlimited account is straightforward. From your account dashboard, you can easily update your subscription details, change payment information, or modify your personal profile. You can also create custom reading lists to keep track of your favorite series and discover new ones. This ensures your comic journey is organized and personalized, giving you full control over your vast digital collection and reading preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.